Hello guys, today we are going to study the operations and supply chain management of Nestle Pakistan. Introduction. Nestle in Pakistan is operating since 1988 under a joint venture with MilkPak Limited and took over management in 1992. Nestle, the company has also introduced products of daily utilization and use as Nestle such as Nestle Milk, Nestle Slim Milk. Milk is the most perishable and fast moving consumer good. The very first and initial requirement or feed for any human being is milk. Milk is complete diet as it contains every nutrient except iron. Vision. Nestle visions Nestle Nestle's ambition is to achieve high level of customer satisfaction through low cost, high efficient operations driven by value creation and continuous improvement. The mission is optimize and consolidate resources and processes for a low cost but efficient. Develop and manage simplified and effective supply network to achieve a high level of service. Create a continuous improvement culture driven by performance measures and rewards. Principle. Nestle is based on the principle of decentralization, which means each country is responsible for the efficient running of its business, including the recruitment of its staff. So, this is the principle of Nestle. The typical Nestle supply chain is raw material from production farmers goes to suppliers, then it goes to production, then after it goes to Nestle warehouse, and then after packaging in warehouse, after production it goes to warehousing, then to distributor and to the retailer or the customers. The functions of supply chain of Nestle. First, milk collection, then inbound logistics, then Nestle factories, then planning, then manufacturing, then milk processing, after factory warehouse, outbound logistics, distribution, distribution process, distribution channels. First, milk collection system. These are the steps. First, a small farmer in rural Shekhupura district milks his buffalo twice a day and takes about 4 liters to one of Nestle's 500 village milk collection centers. At the village milk collection center, the farmer's milk is poured into aluminum churns. The secondary reception station has a large electrically powered cooling tank. A milk inspector measures the fat content, the non-fat solid contents, and the milk's acidity. After that, at the main reception and cooling stations, the milk is poured into huge tanks, and is thoroughly checked for quality. At the Shekhupura, the Kabirwala factories, the milk and in Kabirwala factories, the milk is processed and packed into the familiar Nestle cartons. After that, you can find in your grocery store. It is checked for quality thrice before being released for sale. First, then inbound logistics. Inbound logistics used for milk collection from different milk collection center is centrally owned by Nestle Pakistan Limited. These are three Nestle factories in Pakistan. First is Shekhupura factory, then Kabirwala factory, and then Islamabad factory. Planning. The successful execution of a planning strategy demands that the analysis has been performed with confidence in the accuracy of the information provided, clarity in the way the information is presented, completeness of the information is to be considered. And then manufacturing, the objective is to maximize eco-efficiency, to maximize the production of goods, minimizing of consumption of resources, reduce waste and emissions. The factories are equipped with complete testing and monitoring facilities for wastage and emission and ensure that these are in accordance with environmental standards, that is NEQS. So